Homeopathy is a most effective and beautiful system of medicine that has the potential to heal very, very difficult conditions. There is only one little drawback, and that is its beauty lies in understanding the individuality of the patient, and the art lies in selecting the exact remedy for the patient. The more exact it is, the quicker and the more deeper and the more profound the effect is going to be. So there is not really a choice between one and the other remedy, but the choice is how does the homeopath go into and perceive the individuality of the person and select the exact remedy. This is the art, and this art depends upon individual practitioners. It's not like, you have diabetes so you take insulin. This doesn't work. We have discovered new methodologies in order to take and analyze cases, and we have developed many systems which make the homeopathic prescription much more consistent and result oriented. So the progress that has been done now, we need to reach this to the homeopaths, train them in these new and modern methodologies, and then we will see that there is more consistency and more results with homeopathy. The more evidence we have, the more training we do, and the more results that we are able to produce will speak for themselves. That's the reason why, despite all this what has criticism that homeopathy has faced, it still survives and it grows more. In many countries that I've been to, homeopathy is only growing, and in newer countries it is being introduced, like in Japan or in East Europe or things like that. It's only growing and growing and growing. We need to work on our own healing systems. Why is yoga, why is Deepak Chopra's book, why is meditation, why is other forms of natural healing getting so popular and also seen as being effective? Because people realize it, and I think the healing should come from within. The approach of homeopathy is, the problem is not outside, it is inside of you. Heal that. And I think this is slowly coming into human consciousness. So I think that we will come to a point where natural healing, internal healing will become the primary mode of treatment, and modern medicine will have its scope in medical and surgical emergencies, which are actually the end results of the disease, which starts far, far before in the human economy itself. In homeopathy, we treat the patient as a whole and as an individual. That means 10 different patients of asthma will receive 10 completely different remedies based on who the person is, how does he react to various factors outside, how does he think, how does he feel, how does he sleep, how does he eat. And homeopathy is so fantastically scientific that in our Materia Medica, each remedy, we have 4,000 remedies, and each remedy has been tested on healthy human beings, volunteers. The symptoms have been recorded in such accurate detail. There is no room for theory, there is no room for any kind of concept. It just, the patient tells you exactly, I get up in the morning and I feel a headache that goes from here to here, and it is better from pressure. This is the detailing of the symptoms that we elicit from the patient, and look which remedy in our entire Materia Medica has those exact details, and that remedy heals the patient through the law of homeopathy, which is called the law of similars, which means a remedy can cure somebody whose symptoms matches the effect of the remedy itself.